Medyo mahina pa yan eh. Pero pag i-max mo, ayun o. Yo, Carlo here. So, I'll be flying to Taiwan this weekend. I'll be there Friday to Sunday. So, gusto ko to pack everything in just one bag. So, what I'll do for today's episode is we'll talk about this bag, what's inside, how we packed it, paano natin pagkakasyahin ng yung dadali natin ng one weekend in one bag. And then, we will be unboxing a pair of shoes na pinadala sa atin ng isang very special brand. Diba, Rai? Na sobrang ganda, na nakaka-excite. Okay? So, dito muna tayo. So, yung pangalan ng bag na to, teka, kailangan ko ng notes. Ang pangalan ng bag na to is yung Filson Surveyor Pullman Pack Dark Tan and Flame Color. So, yung kagandahan niya sa kanya, it loads like a suitcase, pero it carries like a backpack. Wow! O, diba? Bakit siyang parang carries like a backpack? Kasi ba nakita nyo ganyan, mukha lang siyang duffel bag. Pero actually, unang-una sa lahat, you can get the strap inside here. Pwede siyang maging parang, ano yun, shoulder bag. Diba? Pero also, ipakita mo from the top. Pag tumingin ka dito sa taas, pwede mong kunin yan. You can get this. And then, you can get another part here. And you can actually turn it into a backpack. So, if you want to carry it as a backpack, you can. If you want to carry it as a duffel, you can. Or if you want to carry it as a messenger, you can. Now, ano yung kinagandahan ng bag na to? Unang-una sa lahat, if you take a look at the front, you have this big zippered quick access compartment. So, ano yung laman yan? We have, pwede tayo maglagay ng wallet, di ba? Or pwede ka maglagay ng susi. You can put your passport if you're traveling. Ang aking Tito kit ng mga gamot. Huwag natin pakita yung gamot ko. O, diba? Pagkatapos nun, we can go to the main compartment. This opens up like a suitcase. So, parang clamshell yung tawag sa kanya. So, if you open it like that, parang ganyan. So, meron kang isang compartment over here, which I usually use for luggage. Pakita ko lang sa inyo how it's packed right now. Tinesting ko siya eh. So, actually, sakto. Parang nakano eh, diba? So, ito yung packing cube that I use. Maganda dito, makikita mo sa top part, nandyan yung damit. Dito sa ilalim, pwede mo lagay yung madumi. Yan o. Laundry. O, diba? So, maganda siya. So, yung clothes na nandito, dinigay ko is good enough for the weekend. So, I think I put like 4 shirts and several other items. Ito pala yung strap, oh. So, you can use as a shoulder strap. Now, yung other side, pakita natin, this is where you can put like your tech items and your essentials. So, dito, lahat ng electronics ko nandito. This is what you call yung Evergoods Cap 2? O Cap ba? I forgot what it's called. So, yung maganda sa kanya, if you pop it open, nandiyan na lahat. Diba? So, we have, ano tawag dito? Power bank na Momax. We have universal charger. Universal, ano tawag dito? Wall charging. Basta lahat ng ano. Pwede mong iset kung nasa man part ng mundo ka. Ganda Momax din yan. By the way, these products are linked down below. If you want to buy it from Shopee, you can buy it from there. So, ito yung pinakabago na bili ko. Ito yung multi-purpose fan ng Momax tsaka ng Gundam. So, collab din siya. But, yung kagandahan nito, para siyang jet engine sa lakas. Para lang marinig nyo. Magugulat kayo dito. Teka. So, di ba normally ganyan? Medyo mahina pa yan eh. Pero pag i-max mo, ayun o. Ang lakas o. Pero abot kay Jigs. O, diba? So, yun yung maganda sa kanya. So, sobrang insane yung ano niya. Actually, meron siyang, ano tawag dito, multi-purpose. You can put in like some sort of like cleaning extension. Pwede mo siya panlinis ng dust. Tapos, kinyaring keyboard, di ba, may brush. So, sobrang okay siya actually. Hindi lang tsaka pag bagong ligo ka, pwede na rin siyang hair dryer. So, sobrang okay to. So, again, I'll link down below. This is a collab again with Gundam and Momax. Actually, set yan eh. Tignan mo. Di ba? Aesthetic. Ano yun? Top shot, flat lay, mga ganun kadramahan. So yan, nandyan lahat yan. Ano pa ba yung nandito? We also have, ito yung Osmo ko, yung pocket, kasi gamit namin yung kay Rai right now. So yan, so ito yung electronics. What else is here? We have toiletries, di ko nabubuksan, pero alam niyo na, toothbrush, pabango, etc. Since maglalaro ako doon ng Flesh and Blood, dala ko yung deck na gagamitin ko, tapos yung playmat. So, generally yan yung bag. Nakuha ko to sa Signet over at Rockwell. I forgot the exact amount, magkano siya, but definitely over 14,000 pesos yata siya. So medyo pricey. Pero yung kagandahan nga sa kanya, if you just want one bag to bring with you for travel, pwede siyang magandang option kasi nga it's all around and you can use it as a backpack, as a duffel, etc. etc. Okay, so next, punta na tayo sa main event natin for today. Ray, ano tawag dito?
Reebok Club C.
Reebok Club C.
Vintage.
Vintage.
Yes.
So ito yung premium edition, di ba?
Yes.
So mag-shoutout tayo kay Reebok tsaka kay Commonwealth ba? Or Reebok lang?
Reebok. Sports Central.
Sports Central. Edit mo na lang, Ray, yung sinabi. Edit mo na lang ito. Ay, actually, edit. Carlo, edit mo. Okay, so again, from Sports Central and Reebok. So pagbuksan natin, if you open it, this is to celebrate the 40th year anniversary of the Reebok Club C. Tama?
Yes.
Because it was made in 1985, it is now 2025. Marunong naman tayo mag-math, okay?
Mas bata sa atin ng konti.
Correct. Oo nga, by 3 years. So anyway, so if you take a look at the top, you have a cleaning cloth, you have extra laces, you have stickers, you have some sort of like cool looking card. And then unlike other pairs, usually that I see from Reebok, ito talaga social. As in talagang dust bag pa lang, parang tennis towel.
Yeah.
Diba yung quality? Kasi nga, it's... Kasi these are originally tennis shoes. Diba? So, buksan natin. This...
Yung C sa Club C means champion.
Ganun ba yun? Yung pala ibig sabihin nun. Akala ko classic. Anyway, so this is what the pair looks like. Again, it is very clean, minimalist, pero the quality of the materials is definitely upgraded. From the leather that they use to the padding that they use sa inside. If you take a look at the back, nakalagay dyan yung 85. I think yan yung special way to tell, diba, if it's a collab or not. I haven't worn 85s in a while, but what I can say is that just by pressing here, parang lumambot na naman siya. So it should be something that you can wear on the daily. And again, it's just a very clean pair of sneakers na you can use for whatever purpose. Diba yun yung kagandahan sa Reebok eh. If you wanna use it for may lakad kayo or may chill lang kayo or whatever, okay siya. So, yan yun. This one, how much retail na to?
5,595.
So, you can buy it for 5,595 if you want to sa Sports Central, tama?
And Reebok Philippines.
And Reebok Philippines. So, kung meron man available nito sa Shopee, pero ba? Sure. Kung meron man, I will link it down below so you guys can get it. So again, shout out, maraming salamat to Reebok Philippines, Sports Central for this one. So yeah, yun muna tayo for now. Kita-kits in a bit. Punta tayong Taipei.